Hello beautiful souls, what's popping? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on today's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok. And let's jump on into this video. So the first thing that we're going to do is to measure my nails. I know that you're seeing some nails that are obviously not going to match my nails, but I want to use these nails also badly, so I decided to go in, just bite the bullet, go in and attempt using bigger size nails for obviously not the nail size, if that makes sense. Anyways, so I'll go ahead and apply each of the nails. So I'll be using number 1 and number 0 for 3 nails, and for the rest I think I found nails that could match the pinky and the pointer finger. So I'll go ahead and cut down the nails to my actual nail size, and then I'll go in with my gel top coat, because after this nail set I will definitely be popping off these nails, so this acts as a protective layer. So the next step that I'll take is to go in with my glue. Don't look at that glue because it's ratchet. I couldn't find my glue and I won't be exposing myself to tell you guys what type of glue it is. But anyways, so we'll go ahead and glue the nails. Now we're going ahead to cut down the nails and to cut it to the shape that I'll be working with, because obviously I sized up the nails a little bit, or I didn't really have an option, so I had to cut them to the desired shape. Now I'm going in with my emery board to straighten up the nails, after which I will use my e-file to smooth down the nail, each of these nails, after which I will then go in with my acrylic application. So now I'll be going in with my dark nude, applying that in the cuticle area and then feathering that down. I'll repeat this motion on each of the nails, after which I will then go in with my clear acrylic to add to the very tip, while at the same time encapsulating where I feathered the dark nude too. And then I will go in with the filing. I won't speak heavily through that because it's repetitive. I've done it so much in my videos. I don't know why I keep on putting it in the videos, but I feel like it balances the videos out. But as I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Also follow me on my social media, that's Instagram and TikTok. After I'm through, now I'm going in with the nail art portion. This is simple, this is minimalistic, this is simple. The aesthetics of this nail is out of this world. I'm just exaggerating, but it gave the nail art a flair. The glass tips with a very square French nails, the icing on the cake. So I'll do this application on each of these nails, after which I will cure for the 60 seconds, and then I'll come in and top coat my nails and then oil my cuticle and then show you guys what I'm working with. Very simple button nails, classy to the T. I mean classy. That's something that if you're not into, you know, heavy designs, but you like persons to look at your nails and say, wow, you have taste, these are the nails that you should go to. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you have not already done so, and follow me on my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.